The capacitive tape has an electronics housing at one end with fixing holes for mounting. The plug-in connector attaches to the amplifier. This amplifier is the standard one used for Balluff capacitive sensors without integral output and can give an analog 420 mA 0 to 10 volt output or an I/O link output. The amplifier has a display and can be set with the push buttons accessed via the protective cover. The amplifier is DIN rail mounted or the fixing holes can be used. The sensor tape can be directly connected to the amplifier, or extension cables in various lengths from 0.5 to 8 meters can be used if you wish to install the amplifier remotely. For a demonstration, we will fix the sensing tape onto a glass bottle. I've previously marked the point where I want to cut the tape, and I simply cut the tape with scissors, ready to adhere the tape to the bottle. We first need to ensure that all surfaces are clean and dry. The user manual gives recommendations of cleaners to use for different surfaces. We simply peel the adhesive backing from the tape, press the tape onto the container, taking care to remove any air bubbles as we go. In some cases, additional primers may be required. Again, this is covered in the user manual. It's also important to take into account the drying time of the adhesive before calibrating the amplifier. Finally, we seal the cut edge with the supplied elastic sealing tape after we've cleaned the surfaces again. We remove the protective cover from the sealing tape and apply over the full cut edge of the sensor, pressing it in all corners and along all edges, and then remove the protective foil. The sealing tape doesn't require any extra drying time. Now that the sensor is fixed to the bottle, we've used the connector to attach to the amplifier. The amplifier is available with a 0 to 10 volt or 420 mA output, both of which can also be used in switching mode to give a discrete level. You can even adjust the hysteresis to enable a high-low level control for filling operations. This is the I/O link version, and you can see the I/O link process value here. In this case, the high value is displayed when the bottle is empty and the low value when the bottle is full. Now, if we fill the bottle with water, you will see the process data values changing. Once again, this is the BCW self-adhesive capacitive sensor giving continuous level sensing on containers up to 850 millimeters.